Is Google Maps showing a GPS signal lost message on your Android phone? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you several simple settings you can check to fix the problem. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone and tap Location. Then select Location Services and tap Location Accuracy. Make sure Improve Location Accuracy is turned on. Go back and also make sure Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning are enabled. Next, go back to the main settings page and open Battery. Make sure Power Saving Mode is turned off, as battery saving features can sometimes affect location services. Then go back to Settings, find General Management, and tap Date and Time. Make sure Automatic Date and Time and Automatic Time Zone are enabled. An incorrect date or time can cause problems with Google Maps and other apps. Now, let's check Google Maps permissions. Long press the Google Maps app icon and tap the Info icon. Go to Permissions, then select Location. Make sure Location Access is set to allow only while using the app or allow all the time, depending on your Android version. Also, make sure Precise Location is enabled. Go back to the Google Maps app info page and tap Battery. If available, select Unrestricted to prevent Android from limiting maps in the background. Then go back and select Mobile Data. Make sure Google Maps is allowed to use mobile data in the background. Now open Google Maps and check if the GPS signal problem is fixed. If you're still seeing the error, you can try reinstalling the latest Maps updates. Go back to the Google Maps app info page, tap the three dots, and if you see Uninstall Updates, select it and confirm. Then open the Google Play Store, search for Google Maps, and tap Update if an update is available. Finally, restart your Android phone and open Google Maps again. Hopefully, the GPS signal should now work normally. And that's how you can fix the GPS signal lost problem in Google Maps on Android. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if this video helped you. Thanks for watching.